Organize your teams in Teamly using departments. To create a department, click on the plus icon next to Departments in the left side panel. This will bring up the new Department panel. Enter a name for your department. Optionally, give your department a description. Select an icon color for your department. If you're on the Starter or Business plan, you'll also have the option to toggle on or off the Public or Private department toggle. Please note that if a department is set to public, all users within that project will be added to that department. If you set the department to private, you'll have the option to invite new users into the department. You can search for existing users to add them to the department, or you can manually select or deselect the users to add into that department from your project. Users that have a pending status in your workspace can also be invited into that department. Once you've selected the users, click on Create. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see the newly created department. For private departments, the Teamly Most Valuable Doer will give you the option to add members to that department. You can also head over at the top to the Departments drop-down menu, where you will see the name of the department, the status, whether it's public or private, and the description that was set for that department. You'll also see the option to leave the department or edit the details. You can click into the department users to see their profiles, or when you hover over the department users, you'll see the ellipsis on the right-hand side to remove the users from the department. On the far right side of the departments, you'll also see a list of the users in the department where you can click into and invite users, search for users, or view the existing users in that department, as well as removing the users from the department. At the very top of the department, you'll see the option to add a sticky. There, you can add a file or an SOP that will stick to the top of the department so that all users can review it on an as-needed basis. At the bottom of the department is the text field. This is where you can start communicating with your team. Enter your message. You can add an emoji, bold, italic, strike through, link, order, add a file, and add a task. Click on the task icon, then click into and drag the task into the text field. Once your text is formatted, on the right-hand side, click on the blue send icon. Users within that department can then view and reply to your message.